Hi, I'm Gary and this is my designer, Matty from the Interior Lab. Our design expectation was actually very in line with our previous house. So we're looking something for more modern, but I think we added in a little bit of Scandinavian touch into this place. We have a new addition to our family this year, a new little baby boy. So we needed more space. When we design something, we would have something more child-friendly.
Space for the baby to run around. Yeah.
Renovation process was pretty challenging because for me, I don't come from a design background, so we have to rely a lot on Matty for expertise. Because this was a pretty old place. When we took over, it was pretty run down. It was a 30 years old place. What we see is there was a lot of surprises along the way. So things like asbestos was one of the key issues that we faced in the beginning. So we had to get the government approvals to actually to approve us to clear the asbestos. Yeah. Then I think we also saw issues when at the front porch where we did the hacking. So apparently the floor was hollow. So we have to fill it up again. So there were a lot of surprises along the way. We never doubted Matty's ability, so everything was done within the deadline. The team were very professional, so I think all of them went the extra mile to actually do their job. The electrician guys have to actually manually dig the front porch. So in order for the relocation of the DB box from the internal house to the exterior. He mentioned earlier also because of the bad weather, then it made their job even tougher during the period. Yeah, kudos to the guys. The services actually far exceed our expectation. So in terms of quality as well as workmanship, I think we were very, very satisfied with the outcome. To be honest, I can't really find one exact location that I have really happy with, because I think everything just fall perfectly in place. So
All the area in the house.
every area in the house.
The whole house. Yeah.
Yes, correct. The professionalism of the company, especially when we were first involved in the engagement, right? Even it involved the bosses. Freddie, I think, was involved in the discussion as well. We felt we were given high priority throughout the entire process, right? We felt we were always constantly updated with the progress, and if there's any issues, we were very well assured that everything is actually well managed and well planned. On behalf of my family, I would like to thank Matty and the Interior Lab for delivering not just a house, but actually a home for us to live in and enjoy it. So thank you.